este mineral que te borra las canas y oscurece el cabello, incluso después de los 50. A growing number of individuals are discovering a remarkable ability to reverse the appearance of gray hairs in their locks, a phenomenon attributed to the incorporation of simple minerals or vitamins into their daily routines, coupled with straightforward practices that will be unveiled shortly. The emergence of gray strands upon one's head can surprisingly stem from nothing more complex than a nutritional deficiency or even simple errors made during the daily ritual of hair cleansing. This discourse serves as a definitive guide where you will acquire the knowledge to effectively reverse gray hair and, more importantly, prevent its recurrence. Therefore, in today's exploration, a precise roadmap will be provided, detailing precisely what steps to undertake to not only impede the onset of graying, but also to reverse existing gray hairs in a manner that is both natural and remarkably effective. A most cordial welcome to all, extended by Dr. Agustin Landivar, a respected naturopath, medical acupuncturist, and the esteemed founder of drlandivar.com. Within this platform dedicated to conventional medical discourse, my approach to treating patients prioritizes natural medicine, homeopathy, and acupuncture as primary interventions, deliberately preceding the reliance on pharmaceutical drugs. Consequently, should you find yourself in need of a consultation or seeking specific supplements, I encourage you to explore the offerings at drlandivar.com. Furthermore, it is immensely beneficial to the dissemination of this information if you would consider liking this video, as such engagement significantly aids the algorithm in reaching a wider audience. With that introductory preamble concluded, let us delve into the core of the matter. For many years, a widespread misconception prevailed, suggesting that gray hairs were an inevitable consequence of aging. However, contemporary scientific inquiry has definitively established that this notion is, in fact, inaccurate. Often, the culprit behind premature graying is as simple as a deficiency in a single essential mineral or vitamin. The consumption of these overlooked nutrients can, in many instances, lead to a reversal of this hair-related concern and, in some cases, halt its progression entirely. Thus, let us embark on a direct discovery of these crucial elements. The first critical element to address is the correct and consistent consumption of vitamin B12. This vitamin transcends its basic classification. It functions as a powerful catalyst for energy production and is instrumental in fostering the metabolism necessary to fuel hair growth and maintain its vitality. A wealth of studies has repeatedly demonstrated that the daily intake of vitamin B12 significantly enhances blood quality, which in turn improves the nutritional supply to the hair follicles. This improved blood flow is instrumental in preventing the degeneration of the hair roots and the hair follicles themselves, the very structures that contribute to the hair turning white or gray. To put it concisely, a lack of sufficient vitamin B12 directly correlates with a loss of hair pigmentation. Moreover, a deficiency in this vitamin can also compromise the healthy production of red blood cells and negatively impact nerve function, exacerbating stress levels and generally worsening overall health. The remedy for this often overlooked deficiency lies in ensuring adequate intake of vitamin B12, or even more beneficially, the entire B complex. For those seeking natural sources, the incorporation of red meat into the diet is highly recommended, as it is rich in B12. Additionally, specific formulations such as B12 Forte, B-Max, and Multivin, available from Fineland at drlandivar.com, are excellent options. Before we proceed further with the revelations in this video, I would like to extend an invitation for you to consider joining the Fineland network of consultants. This initiative offers a unique opportunity to deepen your understanding of natural medicine, providing a pathway to integrate this knowledge professionally, promote beneficial supplements, and generate income while simultaneously expanding your expertise. As part of this network, you will also benefit from personalized sessions with me, where we will delve into the intricacies of natural medicine. To initiate this journey, please contact the provided telephone number to register and commence generating income for your household. Our second crucial element is the assurance of adequate iron levels within your system. It is a common misconception for individuals to believe that simply addressing magnesium intake will resolve all their health concerns, including graying hair. While magnesium is indeed highly beneficial for the human body, its influence on gray hair is not as direct or comprehensive as that of iron. When it comes to combating gray hair, iron plays an exceptionally vital role. Logically, we must consider that the health of our hair is intrinsically linked to the quality of blood circulation reaching the hair follicles, particularly to the scalp, which, being the highest point of the body, requires significant circulatory effort. This blood must be robust, replete with red blood cells, and rich in hemoglobin, all of which are dependent on iron. Sufficient iron levels in the bloodstream. If your dietary habits do not include adequate consumption of red meat, perhaps due to outdated advisories that incorrectly demonized it for decades, I strongly recommend increasing your intake of red meat, eggs, and other iron-rich foods such as spinach, Swiss chard, and other leafy greens, which will undoubtedly aid in preventing this specific deficiency. Remember, hair nourished by iron and healthy blood receives superior oxygenation, preventing its pigmentation from changing due to nutritional deficits. This improved internal environment directly contributes to healthier, more vibrant hair. To address potential anemia and support hair health, consider supplements such as Red 8 Plus, Multiv-Min, the enzymes, BF12 Fort, and BMAX from Finland, all available at drlandivar.com. The third indispensable nutrient we will explore is the mineral known as copper. Yes, the same copper that forms the basis of electrical wiring and cables is also a critical component that your diet must include in precisely measured doses to effectively prevent and reverse the emergence of gray hairs. Anecdotal evidence abounds regarding individuals who have experienced a reversal of graying hair simply by consuming water stored in copper vessels, attributing this benefit to a potential nutritional replenishment, the influence of copper's magnetic field, or its inherent energetic properties. Regardless of the precise mechanism, copper can be found in a variety of delicious and accessible food sources, including nuts, seeds, shellfish, dark chocolate, and beans. To support your hair's well-being, consider supplements like HSN Factors, Colon, Multivin, or Green Shot, all from Finland and obtainable at drlandivar.com. Fourth on our list is folate deficiency, a factor that can significantly contribute to the appearance of gray hair. As previously highlighted, gray hairs can manifest when the body lacks essential minerals and vitamins. However, folate, which is abundantly found in green leafy vegetables, beans, asparagus, and citrus fruits, is of paramount importance for overall bodily function. In fact, a growing body of scientific research now confirms that individuals with insufficient folate intake are more prone to developing gray hair, premature aging, and accelerated oxidative stress. This underscores the critical importance of consuming citrus fruits, such as oranges and lemons, and other tart, acidic fruits, which are excellent for combating aging processes and, consequently, the onset of graying. For natural support in this regard, consider supplements like Ultra C1000 from Finland, Sulfora B, or BA Max, which not only contains folate, but also other beneficial vitamins for hair health, such as those found in HSN Factors, available at drlandivar.com. Finally, we arrive at our fifth point, a wisdom that our grandmothers often imparted. Don't get angry, my child, or you will age prematurely. Excessive stress and anxiety can wreak havoc. This sentiment, though perhaps phrased simply, holds profound truth. Indeed, chronic stress and anxiety place an immense burden on the nervous system, negatively impacting circulation and oxygenation throughout the body, thereby accelerating the aging process. This manifests not only in the formation of wrinkles, but also in elevated cortisol levels, hair loss, deformation of hair follicles, and critically, the alteration of hair color. If you are someone who struggles with sleep and experiences deficiencies in minerals essential for relaxation, such as magnesium, vitamins like melatonin, which aid in sleep regulation, utilizing these can be incredibly beneficial. You may not fully grasp the extent to which these play a vital role in preventing premature aging and ensuring your body remains healthy for decades to come. For natural solutions to support relaxation and combat stress related aging, I recommend exploring products like Magnesite, OxyClean Sulfura B, and Anti-OxyPro from Fineland, all accessible at drlandivar.com. And as a gentle reminder, please do not forget to like this video, share it with others who might benefit, and join us for our next installment, where we will continue to explore strategies for reversing the aging process.